In this video, I'll show you how to recover data from an SSD drive. When it comes to SSDs, data recovery is complicated and potentially more challenging compared to a mechanical hard drive. Here are some differences between hard disk drives and solid-state drives. When deleting files, hard disk drives don't remove data. They just mark deleted file space as available, which allows recovery software to often restore data before it's overwritten. SSDs, however, use a feature called trim. So when a file is deleted, the OS sends a trim command telling the SSD to permanently erase the data during the garbage collection period. So when you empty your recycle bin in Windows or empty the trash on your Mac, those deleted files are meant to be gone. This is what makes SSD data recovery more complicated. To check if you have trim enabled, on Windows, open Command Prompt and enter the following command. If the output displayed is 0, then trim is enabled. To disable trim, run the following command. Then reboot the system so the changes can take effect. On a Mac, you can click the Apple logo in the top left of the screen and go to About This Mac. Click System Report, go to Hardware, then NVMe Express or SATA Express, and look for trim support. If trim support equals yes, then trim is enabled. To disable trim, open Terminal and run the following command. Then reboot the system so the changes can take effect. Now that you have an understanding of the challenges, can you guess what the most common cause of data loss is? You guessed it, it's accidental deletion. And you can add formatting the incorrect drive to that list. But let's say you aren't the source of the problem. There are other possibilities, like file system corruption, or worst case scenario, the dreaded hardware failure, which can be caused by overheating or some other forms of physical damage. If you fear your SSD is physically damaged, then it's best to create a bit-by-bit disk image prior to attempting data recovery. Now that we've gone over some of the data loss scenarios, how do we recover data from an SSD? We can use a simple tool called the EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. This application is a simple, affordable solution for SSD data recovery. And it's a great option because you can download it and perform a free scan to preview which files are recoverable before committing to purchasing. Alright, we're going to delete the files in my downloads folder. Then I'll empty the recycle bin. And then let's see how well the data recovery application works. Let's launch EaseUS Data Recovery. Take a look at what the scan process looks like. If your drive is BitLocker encrypted, you'll need to turn off encryption or unlock before you run the scan preview. And right from the beginning, the application takes us through a step-by-step tutorial. Take a look at how easy this is to use. First, it helps you locate the drive you're trying to recover data from. In my case, this will be the internal drive, the OS C drive. We'll click on the C drive, and then we'll click on Search for Lost Data on the bottom. You can preview and recover your files during the scanning process. Next. So we deleted files from the downloads folder. Let's navigate to the downloads folder to see if that folder is empty. EaseUS Data Recovery shows the files that were deleted from the downloads folder. This was my test picture from the laptop, and these are the files that I used to download Data Recovery Wizard. So everything is here, and you can click here to preview the data recovery. If the data is damaged or corrupted, you can attempt to repair the files by clicking on the wrench on the bottom. Then click Recover. To prevent data from being overwritten and ensure the successful recovery of your data, save the recovery files to a different hard drive, such as an external or another internal drive. For this scenario, I'm going to restore the file to my USB flash drive. Choose your save location to complete the recovery process. Recovery complete. Now click to view recovered data. If data recovery software fails to recover your data, you may need to utilize EaseUS Professional Data Recovery Services. Free consultations are available. Here are some of the best practices to follow that can help prevent critical data loss. Make sure you're performing regular backups. EaseUS has great backup software solutions as well. Make sure when removing external drives to safely eject those drives. If you happen to be upgrading your system and installing a new SSD, be careful when handling SSDs. Please remember to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell to get notified when EaseUS releases more PC tips videos.